Randi Hipper. I'm a Bitcoin bestie.
Just waking up from a nice dream. Bitcoin pumping on a live stream. Smile shine brighter than a high beam. Ever seen live trading on a widescreen? Bitcoin showing you the steps to own it. We got the alpha, I bet you want it. I'm having fun, send a lecture on it. Randy, put a little extra on it.
It's mutable and decentralized. No censorship or hard cap supply. It's open source and we classify the blockchain secure, and that's exactly why. It's hard money with a new plan. It bounced a lot like this new jam. If Bitcoin dipped, then we ain't gon' trip. I'ma be bullish on you, fam.
I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. 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 I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it.
This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. At Vacation Genie, we believe digital currencies are meant to do more than just sit in your wallet. They're meant to take you places. We want to help you step into the future of cryptocurrency spending, as travel is one of the top categories for spending your crypto. It provides you with the best ROI, lasting memories. Make sure to check out Vacation Genie today. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Wednesday. We are officially midweek, and boy, are we near all-time highs for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin hitting around $120,000 today, still sitting right there, maintaining its, I don't know, maybe some momentum. We'll check out the chart. Also, Ethereum crossing $4,700. We are just about $100 away from Ethereum all-time highs. And again, once we kick that $4,800 all-time high, could we see $5,000 ETH? That is our spotlight for today, is talking Ethereum price action. Of course, we have other news for you, as Asia's first Bitcoin ETF might hit the market soon. Meta Planet is looking to do more Bitcoin strategy work here. In addition to that, we have Dogecoin. We remember him. Oh boy, he's pleading guilty to the things that he has done wrong, or maybe he hasn't. Let's jump into that. We have BNY Mellon also looking to team up with Open Eden for tokenized assets. Again, RWAs are coming into play here. And then Wisconsin also putting forward some bills for crypto ATMs. Is that bullish? Is it bearish? I'll let you know. And then we're going to jump into ETH and our coins to watch. So if you're ready for all the zest, the news, the education, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share this out with friends so more people know what's going on here. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers, and a subscriber goal of 22,900 subscribers. We're 4 more away. I am extremely bullish on this subscriber count. I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin. I'm extremely bullish on crypto and every single person in this chat. And so I want to say good morning to you as you say good morning to me, and check out our 3 amazing sponsors of the show, including Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off. And then check out Vacation Genie. I'm wearing purple to match them. Make sure you book your cruise with crypto. Let's get it. Let's get it. I want to just start off by saying happy birthday to Jesse in the chat. Jesse is amazing, an amazing moderator on the channel, and I appreciate him so much. Thank you for helping out the channel the way you do, Jesse. Thank you so much. We also have a member-only after show today. It is in the Discord already set up. So what you're going to do is become a member of the YouTube channel, subscribe, get your emojis, and your access to those Discord after shows. So once this goes off and we're done with this live, then we go right into Discord and hang out for about 10-15 minutes. So let's get it. I want to say good morning to every single one of you guys. Let's do it. Let's do it. I don't know why in some chats, like, it has the handles, like the @ whatever, and then in other chats it has people's names. Like, I don't know what's going going on with YouTube right now. Jag, hello everyone. Crypto Craig, thank you for the gift over on TikTok. I appreciate it. We have Mike Volmer, Silver Days, of course, birthday boy Jesse. I said hi to Silver Days. Mama Shadow, Sun Backup, as always. Thank you to Black Hat. We got All Set. Good morning. Alexandra G, my G, is in the chat. BBB is here. Good morning. Doge Bowl, David Bowles, Bulldog Eric. Good morning. Aquarian, nice to see you. We were saying good morning to each other on Twitter today. Let's see who else we got. We got Joe Harvey. Good morning. Nice to see you. Oh my gosh, these handles are throwing me off. We have Lasers. Good morning. Rob C. Good morning. Welcome everyone. Elric, peace. Good morning. Stephen C. Let's see. Fitz is here. Northern Crypto and Tech. Good morning to you. Welcome. John Legend with all of his emojis. Rice Potato is here. Gary's on multiple platforms. Sorry, guys. Simple Jack, good morning. Nice to see everyone. Ransel, our Digibyte friend, is on X. Bit for Fun is here. Good morning. We got Dano and Alex over on X. Nice to see everyone. Gone Fishing. Alex Collingborn is pumped this morning. Crypto Sun, good morning. Who else we got? I think I got everyone. I think I did. I'm going to say I did. Oh, Drig is here. Hello, my friend. Tommy 2 liters as well. Good morning. All right, guys, let's get after it. All set is all set, and that's all that matters. Right, Josh? Right, Milton? Hello, everybody. Let's get into the show. We're not wasting any more time. Market recap. OKB is popping off, and that is one of our coins to watch today. So we're going to dive into OKX and their token, why it's pumping. Fartcoin is up 31%. Arrow's up 23%. But overall, we have a sea of green, and I absolutely love it. Bitcoin, holy... Oh boy, friends and family. We have $121,897. Oh my gosh, 121,927. Oh my word. So we're almost at 122K. Again, the other day we hit 122.2. So 122,290. Guys. If we hit this, if we get past this high from 2 days ago, guys, we might hit an all-time high today for Bitcoin. Oh my word. Oh my word. Guys, I don't know how to feel. I am pumped. Guys, we're sending it. We are sending it today. We're sending it. 125K inbound, in freaking bound. Guys, we're almost at 122K. I'm going to have to tweet it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to have to tweet it when it happens. 121,990. This is where we need our alert. Thank you very much, TradingView. Okay, guys. Holy freaking wow. $122,000 Bitcoin. Oh my gosh, guys. This might be just a chart episode. This might be where I ditch the news and we just stare at charts all day. Guys, $122,000 Bitcoin is back. Oh my gosh, guys. I am so bullish right now. Like, I think I'm going to lose my mind. I think I'm going to lose it. Guys, I need rocket emojis all over this chat. If I don't see rocket emojis, there's going to be a problem. There's going to be a problem, and I will leave this live stream if I do not see rocket emojis in this darn chat. I'm telling you right now. We're sending it. If you guys want to partake in sharing this out, go ahead. The link is in the live chat. Go check out that tweet. $122,000 Bitcoin, guys. We're going to set another alert. You know what that means. We're setting more alerts. So 122,990. All right, so we'll be ready for 123K because, again, our all-time high is 123.2. 123.2, guys. We're not far away. We are about just over $2,000 less than $2,000 away from all-time highs for Bitcoin. Guys, this is ridiculous. We are going to watch history on this show yet again. Good. You guys are so amazing in that chat. Put those rocket emojis. I need spammed rocket emojis. I'm actually not messing around. I need to see so many rocket emojis that I'm blind. I'm blind. That's what I need to see in this chat right now. Look at this momentum. Shooting for the stars. Money flow, rising. VWAP surprisingly not pumped yet. We will check out smaller time frames as Bitcoin is pumping right now, trying to test that 122. We need to pass 122. We are not messing around today. We are not. Bulls, send it. Bulls, send it right now. I'm so bullish. Okay, guys, we are rapidly pumping. Guys, we're over $122,000 Bitcoin right now. Holy word. Okay, guys, we are bullish. We are pumping with this RSI. We are not even overbought yet. Guys, we have so much room to run, which means if Bitcoin continues to go in this direction, by the time we hit overbought, that might be an all-time high. I would say that's an all-time high. I am so incredibly bullish, my friends. I don't think you understand. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. I don't know how long y'all have known me. I've been here for 5 years screaming on a live stream. And I'm telling you right now, I am so bullish. I am always bullish because the revolution of Bitcoin is so large that the price is almost insignificant. It's just entertainment at that point. The entire world's wealth will be absorbed by Bitcoin and by crypto. Tokenization is happening. The digital revolution is happening. People are waking up, my friends, to say, I am opting out of a corrupt, centralized, controlled system, a manipulated system, run by a few percent of the world's population, even less, the 1%, the fraction of the 1%, and we are over them. I am over them. I am for freedom. I am for decentralization, being your own bank, owning something and being happy, not the opposite. I root for freedom. I root for humanity. And Bitcoin represents the best of humanity. The best energy in the world is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is money powered and created by energy. I am so bullish right now. I do not want to see the rocket emoji stop. I do not want to see these rocket emojis stop. It needs to be constant emojis. Constant emojis. I'm actually like heating up right now, physically heating up. I need to turn on a fan. Hold on.
Randi Hipper. I'm a Bitcoin bestie.
I'm literally heated. I'm heated, but out of excitement. And I'm so bullish right now. So bullish. I need more coffee. We're sending it. We're sending it. I'm ready to send it. Guys, we are bullish. $122,000 Bitcoin has entered the chat, and so has our breaking news. Thus, I shall share. Let's go. We're starting off internationally. Asia's first Bitcoin ETF is in the pipeline. Kazakhstan, one of the world's largest Bitcoin mining countries, became the location of Central Asia's first spot Bitcoin ETF. Astana-based Fonte Capital said the Fonte Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund, OEIC, or BETF, will start trading on August 13th, so that is today, on the Astana International Exchange, and the ETF will be priced in dollars. Now, that country, Kazakhstan, shot up the Bitcoin mining rankings after China banned the industry back in 2021, pushing operations abroad. Kazakhstan benefited from its abundant coal-powered electricity and favorable regulations. Now, this fund is regulated by the Astana International Financial Center, a jurisdiction that its backers say can shield assets from freezes linked to international sanctions while avoiding dependence on foreign issuers. The AIFC has sought to build on that position by introducing legal framework for digital assets, allowing licensed exchanges, custodians, and investment products to operate within their jurisdiction. The ETF structure, if you guys are interested at all, is allowing for in-kind settlements and aims to keep the total expense ratio low while reducing tracking error against the Bitcoin price. Oh boy, guys, Bitcoin ETFs in Asia. It is happening, guys. We are bullish. Dude, these institutions are buying. Retail is stepping up. Keep calm, huddle on, have a bullish and a bearish case scenario because is about to get real. It's about to get real. People are not ready. Buckle up. Board the rocket ship. I'm ready. I'm ready for all of it. I'm ready for all of it. Keep calm, huddle on, bullish, bearish case scenario. Meta Planet is launching preferred stocks. And again, they are coming up with a Bitcoin-backed yield curve plan. What does this mean? Well, Meta Planet's bullish on Bitcoin is what it means. Continuing on. Tokyo-based investment firm Meta Planet unveiled 2 major strategic initiatives aimed at deepening its integration of Bitcoin. Announcements came as the company posted strong second quarter results, revenue climbing 41% quarter over quarter to $8.4 billion, and net income, or 8.4 million, sorry, I'm used to the billions in crypto because people here are swinging mad money. Net income swinging to a $75.1 million profit. And then we have Metaplanet's head of Bitcoin strategy announcing the launch of Metaplanet Prefs, a perpetual preferred equity instrument designed to scale the company's Bitcoin treasury operations, similar to Strategy's preferred equities. And so they are Japan's largest publicly traded Bitcoin holder. And according to Metaplanet, these preferred shares will allow for the issuance of Bitcoin-backed instruments across a wide range of credit profiles and maturities. The goal is to align with and adapt to domestic fixed income demand, positioning Bitcoin as a credible form of collateral in Japan's capital markets. And then they have their Bitcoin-backed yield curve. And so that is crazy. Bitcoin as collateral. Bitcoin is just the most valuable thing in the world. We already know that. Bitcoin is so undervalued, guys. Bitcoin is so undervalued. It's the best performing asset in the world. There's only 21 million to ever exist. We have companies like Strategy buying billions of dollars at a time. Countries mining, countries buying. States looking to buy. Cities looking to buy. Retirement funds, your 401k will have crypto in there. That is not priced in at all. There's only 2 million Bitcoin tied to centralized exchanges right now. Only 2 million. That's not enough. Miners producing what? 450 a day? 450 Bitcoin a day? At the rate these people are buying, that's not enough either. I throw my hands up in the air, everybody. I throw my hands up in the air to say, you know what? We are living in a historical time. Historical. There is no better time to be alive than right now in this second. Standing up for our rights, claiming control over our money, our wealth, and our assets. Almost going back to the fundamentals of America, might I add, with life, liberty, and property. Owning something that can't be taken from you? Wow, that's powerful. I don't care what price Bitcoin is because, again, we have the fundamentals over the pumpamentals. Always remember fundamentals over pumpamentals. We are not here to get rich quick. Bitcoin is not a get rich quick asset. People, oh my gosh, no, we dipped 2% today. Get over yourself. Because people that are just constantly talking, I'm sorry, I'm ranting today. I'm so bullish. People that always talk about, oh, I'm trading right now. I'm just gonna, sell and then I'm gonna buy. Do you understand what can happen and how much has happened in the past where some people might have been trading in certain banks that collapsed and then they couldn't get their money out. But oh my gosh, in my magical bank app, it says I have X amount of dollars. Oh, but what if your bank tells you, you can't use it? No, you can't use your credit or your debit card. Oh, Apple Pay, turned off. Guys, never put yourself in a position where your profits are locked up with somebody that's not you. And again, you don't want to take all those profits and put it in a safe and throw that in your basement because that poses a physical risk to you. You need safety. Bitcoin provides physical safety. And also, oh wait, you own it. So if there is something that happens with your bank or a disaster, something goes awry, at least you have your money. At least you're in control of your money. This is a revolution here. We are changing the way that we transact. We're changing the way we hold our money. We're changing the way we think of money. When I first discovered Bitcoin, my whole life changed because then I started to learn about money and how essentially this money that we are slaves to continue to enslave us, not free us. Look at the amount of purchasing power we have lost in the past 5 years alone, never mind the past 20, 30, 40, 50 years.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're
Miss
welcome.
Hipper, I've been trying to contact you regarding your renter's insurance.
Oh, darn. My renter's insurance. That's crazy. Thank you, Chipper. Appreciate you. Yeah, what are we doing, guys? What are we doing? Not spreading the word of Bitcoin. Spreading the energy of Bitcoin. Guys, how many generations have gone by? Oh, we're just going to go.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Hello. Oh, hello.
You're
Listen to
welcome.
Randy Monks.
Why thank you, no. Why thank you. Why are we going to sit here and wait? Why are we not going to change now? After generations and generations of us, oh, we're just going to hand our money to this entity. Oh, we're just going to, have paper money represent us. And then they're going to just print infinite amounts of that paper money. And even in the digital age, what are they doing? Digitally printing money. So how many dollars are really out there? We technically cannot verify. And that is scary. That is so scary. Apparently 40 to 50% of our money supply was printed between 2020 and 2021. Does that sound right? No. The fact that there's only 21 million Bitcoin? Now that sounds right. The fact that you can break down Bitcoin into Satoshis, 100 cents to $1, 100 million Satoshis to 1 Bitcoin. Yeah, that's what I'd rather have. That's what I'd rather have. I'd rather have my darn Satoshis, and I know none of that is changing. 21 million Bitcoin, that's the cap. How many are lost? Probably a few million. So how many are really left for you to grab? Just a lot of thoughts that I'm having as Bitcoin is at $122,163. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready for that all-time high. We're not far, guys. We're about $1,000 away from an all-time high. We're about $200 away from an all-time high for Ethereum. We're going to talk about Open Eden tapping on BNY Mellon to manage their tokenized U.S. Treasury assets. Look at this. RWA token asset platform, Open Eden, partnered with the Bank of New York Mellon Corporation, so BNY, to manage and custody underlying assets of their flagship tokenized U.S. Treasury product, T-bill. Open Eden announced a partnership on Wednesday, bringing one of Wall Street's largest and oldest custodians into the growing market for tokenized treasuries. They said the T-bill is the first tokenized U.S. Treasury fund with a Moody's A rating to have its asset managed by a global custodian. Now, Open Eden founder and CEO Jeremy said that combining their platform with BNY's deep fiduciary expertise, it allows them to create a new standard of trust for the digital asset space. Again, this is big because the data shows that T-Bill's assets under management grew to $287 million, a 156% increase from January 1st. Again, what is this telling you? Crypto absorbs the world's wealth. And some of this stuff will be centralized, which I won't consider crypto. But then again, we have tokenized stocks hitting Ethereum. Maybe going to spread to other blockchains as well. The stock market's going digital. Your U.S. Treasury assets are going digital. And trackable is the most important part. Like, we're watching history unfold in front of our eyes. History. And what are we doing about it? Being our own bank, because that's enough. Let me just tell you something real quick. Let me just tell you. You holding Bitcoin is enough. You going ahead and saying to yourself, I'm going to hold Bitcoin in my wallet, that's you peacefully opting out and pushing back and joining a revolution. Bitcoin is a peaceful revolution. There's no weapons that you need to defend Bitcoin and its dominance over the world. You see how these countries are folding to Bitcoin's power because they know their fiat is failing. Fiat is designed to fail. So they know they need something that's going to maybe stay consistent, be around forever for generations and generations to come. And that's Bitcoin. And that's Bitcoin. Sorry about it. There are people that are going to try to rain on our parade, and that might have been Wisconsin. The senators are filing for a companion bill to crack down on crypto ATMs. Now, lawmakers in the state of Wisconsin introduced a bill in the state Senate to accompany an earlier bill in the lower house to aim to curb fraud occurring through crypto ATMs. Senator Kelda Royce, along with 6 other Dems, introduced Senate Bill 386 on Monday as a companion legislation to Assembly Bill 384, which Dem Representative Ryan Spaulding introduced on July 31st. Now, under these identical bills, crypto ATM or kiosk operators will need a money transmitting license to conduct operations in the state and collect information about their users, including name, date of birth, number, address, and email. Filing identical bills in both chambers is a tactic to increase the likelihood of a bill becoming law and speeds up the legislative process, and both chambers can consider it simultaneously. Now, ATM operators will have to collect a government-issued document from their customers, like a passport or a driver's license, and will need to take a photo of the customers. Now, they'll have to verify their identities for every transaction, and users will be capped at $1,000 worth of transactions per day. That is wild. That is wild. Capped at $1,000 a day, which, again, limiting people. Where's our freedom of choice here? And then going ahead and saying, well, like, this kind of takes away from what the crypto ATMs are. You're supposed to just go, hey, put in this, scan QR, walk away. Like, what are we doing here? Because obviously they're going to have to pay for their crypto somehow at the ATM, so you'll have their payment method. What do we need all this other stuff for? A phone number? Okay. Sure, a phone number. Your phone number tells you everything. Your phone number is basically your identity. It's the most important, what? How many digits? 10 digits you have in your life is your phone number, okay? And so they're doing too much here. And they're also, again, trying to take away the ease of use, which might defeat the whole purpose of the crypto ATMs. I love crypto ATMs. I'm so bullish on crypto ATMs. They just really need to chill out in Wisconsin. Guys, I know I'm going to sidetrack one more time. I hate paper straws. I think they should be abolished. This is horrible. This is actually an abomination to straws. Guys, do you like paper straws? Put a 1 or a yes emoji to an emoji. Should we abolish paper straws? Please let me know. I cannot bear these straws. Donnie says, share this out, get her to 100 likes, and I'll give up to $10 worth of XRP to one person. Ooh, okay. Okay, guys. If we get 100 likes, 12 more likes, Donnie's going to give you someone $10 of Bitcoin. Not Bitcoin, XRP. Sorry. Yeah, abolish paper straws. Magic Sun, nice to see you. All right, guys, we have Terraform's Do Kwon pleading guilty. Oh, this is entertaining right here. Now, Terraform Labs co-founder or founder Do Kwon pled guilty to conspiracy to commit wire fraud and wire fraud Tuesday morning, 3 years after the dramatic $60 billion collapse of the Terra Luna stablecoin ecosystem. Now, he's a South Korean national. He arrived in court in handcuffs in a canary yellow prison jumpsuit, a metal chain around his waist. He admitted that he knowingly engaged in a scheme to defraud and did, in fact, defraud purchasers of the Terra USD stablecoin. Again, this is a very big turnaround from the beginning of this whole thing. Now, he did face, in the original indictment, a max sentence of 135 years in prison, and his plea agreement with the government slashes his maximum to 25 years, which is 20 for the wire fraud and 5 for the fraud conspiracy charge, which the judge can either order to be served consecutively or concurrently. Now, throughout the hearing, the judge noted that he was not bound by the DOJ's plea agreement, meaning he could sentence Kwon to a lengthier sentence than the DOJ suggested. He also agreed to pay, this $19.2 million of forfeiture plus interest. That is wild. That's a lot. That's a lot of stuff. But then the DOJ did agree under the plea agreement a max sentence of 12 years. So he went from 135 to 25 to 12 years in prison. So Do Kwon, man, that is just absolutely nuts what's happening with Do Kwon. After that whole mess of Terra Luna or Terraform and everyone just losing their minds and losing a lot of money, frankly, that was just terrible. It was just 100, between 2020 and 2021, I would say no, between 2021 and 2022, it was so messy between Celsius, FTX, Luna. We had, what else did we have at that time? BlockFi. All these exchanges that were just imploding. That was just a wild time. Right, Swiffle? Hello, everybody. Welcome to the show. Thank you guys so much for being here. Oh, yeah, Voyager. Yes, Voyager. We remember Voyager. Oh, my gosh. It was crazy what was going on at that time. Oh, someone else brought up Voyager here. Magic Sun did. Yep. What a mess. Right, Smokey? Good morning, everyone. Smash the like, subscribe, and share. I'm so happy we're past all that stuff. So happy we're past that. But it also taught everyone a very important lesson. And what is that? What is that, my friends? You can write it in the chat before I even say it because there's a delay here. Well, because it taught you about self-custody. If you are staking, and I know people, and I've mentioned this before, I know people that put their entire life into Celsius and were using those payouts to buy a new car, pay their mortgage. That is like total degen activity, and then they lost it all when Celsius went down. It might be enticing, but again, you have to realize the risk you're taking. If you put your money on any centralized platform, whether that's a bank, whether that's a crypto platform, you have to know once you give it to somebody, you're trusting them with your money, and they could do you straight up dirty. Even SVB, that bank that collapsed, we were noting every bit of that on the show, how the executives cashed out of that bank before it went down. Certain countries got to pull their money out of that bank before it went down. And then what happened? People were lining up outside hoping to get their money out. Everyday people. That's who loses. That's who loses. Celsius, they were pulling off money. They were selling the Cell token. It was a manipulated thing. So the same thing could happen in TradFi that it does in crypto. Just in a different way, but it's the same premise of people that know what's happening before it happens and dips out and leaves you to carry the bag. Stop with that. Absolutely stop. Keep calm, huddle on, take self-custody, if there is money that you are leaving anywhere and you're like, wow, if this one thing shuts off, I am definitely not in a good position, take that money and put it in a self-custody wallet. Self-custody is so important. You cannot trust anybody but yourself at the end of the day. And that's the truth. Somebody said to me once, nobody's going to make it for you but you. And when this person said it to me, that is one line, and there's very few lines that really stick in my head like that one did. Nobody's going to make it for you but you. Nobody's out here to save you, especially when it comes to money. Everyone's out for themselves. Money has split families. Money has split friends. Money has split businesses and relationships. We don't want that. You need to protect yourself. And that might seem even selfish a little bit, but it's really not. When in a bank, you're just a number. On an exchange, even, or these platforms like Celsius, you were just a number. You were an account number, a social security number. But on this show, we acknowledge that we're all people that are trying to live and survive. And I want you to survive. And I'm asking you to just be a tiny bit selfish and take care of yourself and your wealth and your future and your family. You never want your money in a place where if you have kids and they take away your bank account, your crypto exchange shuts down, you had all your money there, it's not a bank one. But still, then you have your kids to feed. How are you going to feed them? Don't let the traditional financial system starve you out, because that's literally what's happening. In Canada, when they had the trucker protest, whether you agreed with them or not, was it right that if the government even thought you were there, they shut down your bank account? Again, they're starving you out so that you're forced to bend the knee and obey them. Protect yourself, my friends. Bit for fun, nice little point. Multi-wallets is so important. 2 to 3 cold wallets, 1 to 2 hot with lower balance. My friend, I wish I could put that on the screen. Aces right there. Aces. I have a lot of love for you guys. I have so much love for you guys. And that's why I lose my noodle a little bit on the show, because I just want to protect all of you. I just want to give you a little huggy and protect you. And that's what I'm trying to do here. So yeah, guys, let's get after it. Please smash the likes and share this out. We're going to jump into our spotlight today, which is Ethereum, guys. Ethereum hitting maybe record high soon. We do have Tom Lee's BitMine, again, a Bitcoin mining company that's acquiring Ethereum. Just wild. We love Tom Lee. We're going to get into the spotlight. Let's cover Ethereum right now. Tom Lee's BitMine is looking to raise, listen to this, $20 billion to buy more ETH. Psh, that is probably the greatest call. Tom Lee is such a genius. Such a genius. And we were even talking about that a little while ago, maybe a few weeks ago on the show. Yeah, when everyone's fearful with ETH, you buy. And it could way outperform Bitcoin. I don't know. I think Tom Lee's a brilliant individual. Just a brilliant person. BitMine Immersion Technology, BMNR, the Bitcoin miner that pivoted to an ETH treasury strategy under Tom Lee's leadership, is doubling down on its stock sale program, aiming to raise up to $20 billion to buy more ETH. The company previously authorized $4.5 billion in stock sales through agreements with Cantor Fitzgerald and ThinkEquity, and said it already sold nearly half of the allotment, with just $723 left to sell. Now, their stock was up 4% pre-market as they pursue a strategy to accumulate ETH and stake tokens for a yield, competing with Sharplink Gaming and others. The firm accumulated almost $5 billion in ETH as of August 10th and ultimately aims to acquire 5% of the ETH total supply. That is crazy. That is wild. They want 5% of ETH. Hold on. Let's do some charts here. Let's do some charts. Guys, August 10th. All right, so as of August 10th, hold on, let's go back to the article. As of August 10th, they had almost $5 billion in ETH as of the 10th. So let's go back. Let's go to August 10th. Let's get our ruler out. This is the 9th and the 10th right here on Sunday. We are up 10% at the price we are right now to the high of today. We're up almost 11.5%, almost 12%. That $5 billion they accumulated of ETH is up almost 12%. Are you absolutely kidding me? This is why Tom Lee is as amazing as he is and as famous as he is. Because he literally has been making the best moves possible. Best moves possible. Even if they were buying before here, right? What was this? August 3rd. From August 3rd until now, we're up 37% for ETH. 37%. Bloody genius. Bloody genius. All right, guys, we hit 100 likes. What we're going to do right now, I'm going to open my Nightbot. And we're going to give away... Oh, why am I not signed into Nightbot? That's weird. Okay. That's why I didn't yell at no today, because I wasn't signed in. Okay. All right, guys, we have a Nightbot. We're going to give away $100... not $100. I'm literally losing it because I'm so excited. $10 of XRP. So you need an XRP wallet if you want to enter this. So get your XRP wallets out. You have a minute to give it to me if you win. And we're gonna do a keyword. And Donnie's gonna send it to you. So Donnie, they're gonna put their XRP address in the chat, and I guess you could just send it to them instead of sending it to me and then me sending it to them. That's a lot. So either I'll give Donnie the winner, or he'll just send it to you. Put your XRP address in the chat, okay? Next. We need a keyword, which is going to be XRP. Only comment it once. Only comment it once. Okay. Everyone can get in on this. Done. Okay, guys. Comment XRP to enter, and we'll pull the winner in a little bit. Thank you, Donnie. I appreciate it. All right, guys. Comment XRP. Comment XRP. Let me see it. All capital, please. All capital. Only comment it once. Only comment it once. If you comment more than once, it will kick you, and you won't win. Guaranteed won't win. So only enter XRP once. Smash the like, subscribe, and share. Donnie's going to give you $10 of XRP. Thank you, Donnie.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Okay. Beautiful. We're killing it right now. We have 107 likes. We'll pull the winner at 115 likes. So smash the likes, or else we're not pulling this winner. Donnie's going to be upset. Going back to Ethereum, Ethereum's market cap is $564.84 billion. Oh, word. Up 6%. $65 billion in volume, up 33% in the past 24 hours. So like we said, ETH is killing it right now. We're at $4,677, up 1.9%. We do want to hold this $4,200 level. That is the most important thing. We are in the golden zone. We are ready. So all we have to do, guys, is go up around 2%. Hold on. I'm going to take you there. I'm going to take you to the previous all-time high. We're back in 2021 here. Current price, 2-wick high, all-time high. Guys, we are less than 4%. We're about 4% away. That is crazy. That is insane. So let's get after it. Let's get after it. We are so close. We're literally less than $200 away from all-time highs for Ethereum. I'm so bullish. I've been waiting years for this. I've been waiting actually years. Let's take a look. Momentum shooting for the sky. Money flow is going. We have VWAP that's pretty bullish right now. And then we have the RSI, which is overbought. Again, it could pull back. But let's see if we hit $5,000 ETH first. Hello, music. It's the first gift you've ever sent. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Who sent this? Tim. Hello, Tim. Thank you, Tim. Love that. Guys, comment XRP. Comment XRP if you would like to win $10 of XRP. And get your wallet ready, because if I pull your name and you don't have a wallet, after 1 minute, I'm going to have to re-roll. I'm going to have to re-roll. We do have an after show to get to, my friend, so we're going to do this and get after it. So, are we ready? Are we ready? I'm pulling the winner. I'm pulling the winner. Hold on. Oh, darn it. I need my drum sound. Hold on. Hold on. Where's my Stream Deck app? There we go. Drum, headphones. Beautiful. Okay. Bit for fun. Bit for fun. You have 1 minute. Please comment your XRP wallet and your memo. I think you need a memo for an XRP address too, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're
If
welcome.
you'll send the XRP, then I'll double the giveaway. Hashtag givers gain.
Oh, I mean, I guess like I don't have any XRP accessible to me right now. Okay, Bit for Fun put his address. Donnie, can you copy that? Oh, now I feel bad because I don't have any XRP to give away to people. Bit for Fun, thank you for your address. Donnie, do you have it? Let me know. I could paste it in our DM as well. I think I have a DM open with you. Let me go find it. I'll paste the address there. Okay, there we go. Thank you, Bit for Fun. Congrats. Thank you, Donnie. Appreciate you. Maybe, Dave, I could give away $10 of Bitcoin tomorrow, and we could split the giveaway. You need a memo. Bit for Fun, can you put a memo, please, for Donnie? He needs a memo. Thank you. Thank you, Bit for Fun. Please don't miss out on this XRP, my friend. Okay. Let's get after it. We still have more. People are predicting $13,000 ETH. Do you guys think we can hit $13,000 ETH by the end of the year? We're not even at 5,000 yet. Do you think it could happen? Will we see $13,000 ETH by the end of the year? We're going to get into our coins to watch as you answer that question. Let's do it. Guys, leading your gainers today, but up 128% is OKB. But is it artificially gained? Because they slashed their token supply by 50% with the $7.6 billion burn. So the official crypto token of OKX more than tripled to a record high after the company executed a one-time burn, about 50%, more than 50% of their circulating supply. Burning that supply permanently reduces the max supply to 21 million OKB, in line with the hard cap coded again into Bitcoin. Wow. That is wild. That is wild. So, yeah, guys, please be careful with that. I could give away $10 of Litecoin backup. I could do $10 of Litecoin, even though it would hurt my heart. But I'm going to do it. You know what? Dave, are you chill if I give away $10 of Litecoin? I'll do $10 of Litecoin like tomorrow or Friday. Tomorrow's Thursday. If we get 150 likes tomorrow, then I'll do it. If not, then I'll wait till Friday and I'll give it away. But I'll do $10 of Litecoin tomorrow or Friday. Hi, Jam. And then for the rest of our gainers, we have Fartcoin right behind OKB at 24%.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're
Okay,
welcome.
Bitcoin, it is, make it $20.
Bitcoin it is. Let's make it $20. Oh, okay. All right. So I guess instead of $10 of Litecoin, I'll do $20 of Bitcoin. All right, let's send it. We'll do that. That's fine with me. Because I still have that Bitcoin that you guys have donated to me that I get, again, go and donate to you. So, yeah, we'll do that. We'll do $20 of Bitcoin if Dave Digital says so. Arbitrum is number 3 in your gainers, up 16%. Radium up 15.5%. And then we have Arrow about 15% in the green. Leading your losers today is Alito, down 2.3%. Athena down 1.2, Tezos down 1.4, and Conflux down 0.86, with Crow right behind at 0.37% in the red. Wow, Ethereum is just, killing it. Litecoin killing it to $131.49, up 0.85%. Bullishly, we're looking at a 142. Bearish is your 114. Very critical levels here. Fresh green dot printed playing out on market Cipher with a beautiful money flow increase to levels we haven't seen since back here in December of 2024. VWAP, confident push. RSI, almost overbought. Oh boy, that is crazy. We might see that 142 Litecoin, guys. Let me just say this real quick. If I see $142 Litecoin exactly TA'd the way we've been TAing, looking at 142, I'll just faint. And that's just about it. $10 of each? Perhaps. All right. Listen, man. We'll see. We'll see what we end up doing. But if Dave says $20 of Bitcoin, we'll do $20 of Bitcoin. It just might take an hour. Bit for Fun got his XRP. Guys, thank you, Dave. Oh, David. I'm so off my rocker today. Donnie, thank you. Donnie just provided me proof. Beautiful. Thank you, Donnie. Thank you, Donnie, for donating the $10. Thank you for giving it to Bit for Fun. Thank you, Bit for Fun, for entering. Thank you, Dave Digital, for the stash to give away. Further giveaways. Let's do it. Wow. Crazy. I'm so bullish. Hi, Jess. Jess is in the chat. Jessica, hello. Nice to see ya. Welcome. Guys, I'm so bullish. All right, guys, this is what we're doing right now. We are bullish. We're getting after it. We're going to do some Bitcoin giveaways over the next few days, so I'm very excited for that. We have a beautiful community, indeed, Lasers. I was just going to say that. Beautiful community. I'm so blessed to have you guys around. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have an amazing Wednesday. We have a members-only after show. Please, right now, become a member of the YouTube channel. You know you want those cool emojis. You know you want to get in that after show. Join as a member on the YouTube channel. Hop on over to Discord, please. And we're going to hang out in there right now for the next 10-15 minutes. Have a beautiful day. Thank you guys so much. All the love to every single one of you. Please smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Share this out with friends if you haven't already. Hop in the Discord, and I will see you guys again tomorrow morning. Or if Bitcoin hits new highs today, I'll be jumping on. Have a beautiful day. Bye, guys. Mwah. Peace.